2008 Chevy Corvette. Look at this thing. I think this is the third video we do of this car. I think that's what the owner told us. I don't remember. We do a lot of videos, guys, so I'm gonna show you again. Anyways, it's got long tube headers there and there. Somebody else did those. X-pipe right there. 3-inch all the way back. Look at all that. Over the rear axle. Then it's got some Z06 bullet quad round 05 to 513 B&B Billy Boat performance exhaust. Right there and right there. Billy Boat. And then what we did, as you guys can see, the custom Y-pipe, custom everything to fit these massive tips. There's the Billy Boat exhaust right there and right there. There's the massive 5-inch tips. It was a doozy to do, but it was fun. Came out really nice. Look at that. Wow. Really beautiful. The guys at Exhaust Addicts outdid themselves as usual. We appreciate the guys here, man. They do a really great job, as always. If you can think it, we can create it. Right there. There's the stock tips that were on it with the Billy Boat. They're tiny. We took them off and replaced them. It looks a lot better, a lot nicer. So stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it and hope you like it. Wow. This sounds so good, guys. Wow. This sounds sick. Decibels. 122. Again. Go ahead and back it out. This sounds so mean, man. It's crazy. Let you guys hear on the inside. There you go, guys. Listen to this beast. Beautiful automobile. Long tube headers, X-pipe, 3-inch all the way back to damn, that's so much power. Enjoy, guys.